Okay, today I thought I'd show you how to cut a woman out of a background that had a lot of hair. Photoshop has made it real easy to cut hair out now. You don't have to go through a lot of steps to do it. It's real simple to do. First thing I'm going to do is hit Control J and then duplicate my layer. Then I'm going to click on my background layer and come down here and select a solid color layer. I'm going to select blue to start with. We can change this at any time. Now I'm going to come back up to layer 1 where my woman is at on top. Come over here and select any of these selection tools over here. And I'm going to select the ones that's got object selection, quick selection, and magic wand in it. And up top you'll see where it says select subject and select and mask. We want to select subject. It's done a good job of selecting the subject. You can see it selected that hair pretty good in that selection. So now we want to go to select the mask. When you get into selecting mask, you want to take your radius and slide it up to 4. You can play around with that and put it in different places, but I've found that 4 usually works the best. And then you want to click on Smart Radius, make sure it's selected, and run this radius at 4. That's right. Yeah, okay. I don't want to remember settings because I may want to do it different on another photo. So you come up to render mode and select object aware. After you select object aware, you go up top and see where it says select subject and refine hair. You select refine hair. And it's just working and thinking that it selected the hair. Now you go take your second tool here, that's your refine edge brush, and run around this hair right here. Try to get all the hair in. Come over here and do the same thing on this side. Now, you can come down here to decontaminate colors right here. Click on that and watch the picture. Yeah, sometimes that makes it better, sometimes it doesn't. And then you want to select a new layer with layer mask and click OK. Okay, there it is. With a blue background. If you can go in and change that color, that background. See that hair? How it really stands out? That Photoshop really does a good job now of making a selection when you got hair in it. So I think that turned out really good. So if you got any questions about it, you can just email me at alvincarroll66 at comcast.net.